Mr. President.
And we shut every damn thing.
Give us the control.
Just like we shut down the island.
Angels.
Make some noise, guys!
Angel! Yes, I am that angel.
Okay.
I have no wings. Yes. But I fly higher and I'm down with a wind. And the minister was screaming, kill me, give it, finish me. And I said, my minister, I want a land in Asokoro and my summer. And he said, consider it done. And logic could not get enough of me. I took him to the moon and back. And morning, I was praying. And I said, Aladdin, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. This is what we are meant to do. One time. We are the money-making machine.
As for me, Barbara, do you know what my target is?
What?
The villa. I just want a one-night presidential stand.
Yes.
Because I want to rock the world.
I want to rock the world. All right. When we are done with that woman, what's that her name again? What's that her name again? Golden or whatever she is. When we are done with her, she will not step her foot into.
My own is the best. My bushmeat. Leave that one, buy this one. Oga, buy my bushmeat. Leave that one, buy. Oga, this one is bigger. What is the problem? Stay that side now. Stay there now. Why are you following me? Stay there now.
You can't sell today. I never sell now. Why you lie there like this? I beg.
Shift. Stay there now.
You guys should calm down.
I never said my own finish. Stop now.
See,
Oga, buy my bushmeat.
we don't calm down now. We don't calm down. This one at 10,000.
Don't mind him. Just finish 6,000.
No verse. This one a fake one. See this one better beat now.
My own is bigger. See my own is bigger.
This one now
This
fake.
one is
This
bigger.
one now
Finish
fake.
6,000.
See my own. Meat don't fool. Look, I'm not like this. Not this one business. Uncle, Adam now add some 87,000. See my own, don't big now. See my own, see your own now. This one a baby. I beg. This one a fake one. This one a fake. This one a see meat don't fool for my own side.
My own is bigger. Don't mind him. My own is bigger.
See that? Okay. I beg.
How much are you selling?
I beg. Add some now. Give me 7,000. Yes, now. See, I'm.
Don't mind him. Bring 5,000. Bring 5,000 for this one. Price something now.
See now. Oh, Uncle Kong. See, wait now.
If business no finish, they no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract.
Oh. Your house?
Of course.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful like me. Oh my word. You know, this house, it actually reminds me of my father's house in Maitama in Abuja. You know, this costs pretty a fortune. And it's befitting anyway. It looks good. You want this kind of house?
Oh my
Be careful. Be careful. Now please come.
Oh, you.
All right. Make yourself comfortable, please.
Oh.
Well, I was just wondering if you're still hypertensive because of what happened to you earlier. Hey, I'm trying to make you relax your nerves.
Oh.
Should I get you something to drink?
Yes, champagne or Domprion, Clicquot, you know. Drinks like that helps calms my nerves, you know. I have been through a lot the whole of today. No. Lizzie, I texted my father concerning the case and he said the case has been reported to the state CID and even the Commissioner of Police and also the Inspector General. And my father assured me that I am safe and my car will be returned back to me very soon.
Wow.
Yes.
That's the good news.
I feel so hot in here. I don't know if your AC is working very well.
Of course. Oh, it is. It's working very well. In other words, those people chasing you will not tamper with your car anymore because it's sports.
Really? I don't know. What do you mean? Oh, yes. Yes, you know, it's a new version to me. That book, that book is something else.
I'll get you champagne. Or maybe red wine. Excuse me.
Yes. Hey, waiting. You try and be push. Waiting that one, waiting concern. I don't hear that kind of English before. Push. Oh boy, this house. This mama correct. She's supposed to be buga with her baby grammar. She na this AC I say you know the work. This AC one kill me. Me with them both for inside Jegule. I don't stay this kind of house before. Instead you AC go kill me, I kill you. Me wey poverty no kill for inside Jegule, now you want come kill me. Na today we dey fear ko. We die here. See this chair. She even carry me go salon. She don't go salon. Back up, we look at. The package. Lizzie dey try for packaging. Forget. We meal.
So, here we go. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Now, wow. I will take it later, you know.
It's all yours.
I need it to be cozy. Hey.
So tell me, are you from where?
What?
Are you from where?
Lagos State.
Oh.
Yes, I was born and raised in London. I schooled in Manchester, London.
Oh, that's nice. Super nice. So, what do you do for a living? You walk? Oh, I mean, pardon me, please. Your kind of person doesn't need to walk. All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and eat. That is big money.
Exactly. You know, you got it all right.
I know.
You know, at some point, I tried to work, but, you know, it's not my thing. So I got really stressed. You know, I worked because I don't want to be loafing around. And my daddy said, baby girl, Lizzie darling, Lizzie baby, Lizzie sweetheart. Don't worry, don't stress yourself, okay?
Now this side. No, now here. Where my own trap there now? Where that trap there? Ah, wow. Wait, person can't take my trap. Wait, the person can't take my trap or waiting. How far now? But then find my trouble for this village, oh. Then find my trouble. Who can carry my trap? Last week it was my bushmeat. Now the trap itself. What is all this? Huh? Make una hear, I go call Amadi Alpha now. He go call strike person. Person where you can't take my trap. I'm telling you. Bushmeat disappear today in a trap. I'm not playing, no. If you know now you take my trap, bring them. Bring them now. What is so? I don't understand. I don't understand. Wow. What's all this? So who will come carry my trap where I'm for that side? This is not funny at all. What is all this now? Inuka, you see my trap where I set for that side? You can't see my trap, my bush trap. You see how? Trap what? What do you mean trap? I set my trap last night. I can't come this morning. It's not there. What are you saying? Have you you take my trap? Or you say person where you can't take up?
Maybe some animals have gathered and moved your trap.
Rubbish is that? What do you mean? An animal will collect trap? Come what? What are you saying?
What I'm saying is some stronger animals can move your trap.
Look, I suspect you.
What?
They can't suspect you. Which stronger animal? You are that stronger animal, Abi? I suspect you.
I say hold it there.
I suspect you.
Why will you be suspecting me?
Why don't I suspect you? Which rubbish is a stronger animal will come carry your trap? It makes sense. Hey, you are that person. I suspect you now.
Hold it there. Hold it there.
Hold it where?
Are you trying in any way to accuse me
of
stealing your trap? Raymond Obase, stop accusing me. You know me, I have many traps.
So what?
And you know I'm a better hunter than you. Why will I steal your trap?
Don't talk that rubbish.
Single trap.
What do you mean that you are a better hunter than me?
I'm a better hunter than you.
Idiot.
You just go to the bush and you do not catch any meat. You come back and be accusing people.
I define my trap.
Go and look for your trap.
Better hunter. No better hunter. I define my trap.
Go and look for your trap.
I know what I will do. I'm going to tell His Majesty. I'm going to tell His Majesty now. That trap, I must find him this night.
So, go and tell His Majesty now.
Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Say he go come call you. He go say come. No come now. Don't come and see what will happen.
Now you know.
I must find that trap this night. I'm telling you.
Don't know anything about your trap. Go and look for your trap.
I must find that trap this night, oh. Okay now. This trap, I must find out this night, oh. I'm telling you. I'm going to set my trap. Just with
Wallahi, I enjoy myself. Look at you. Look at you. Angel.
Allah Haji. Allah Haji, I know what you want. I know how you want it. So trust me to always deliver.
Wallahi, you guys are killing me. Your girls are very, very good. Very, very good. In fact, my fellow ministers are very, very happy. Very happy.
You promised me a house in Asuko. When are you going to fulfill it?
Oh yes. I remember, I promised. And when I promise, I deliver. I will do it. In fact, I'm going to give you a full estate.
Alaji, stop. If you are pulling my leg, stop, please. Are you serious? You're not exaggerating.
Can you say that I am laughing? I am serious. I will give it to you.
Alhaji.
Angel.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Alhaji, back to business. Alhaji.
Angel.
I need this contract. Trust me, my girls and I will deliver.
I trust you. You will deliver. But the truth be told, you are very, very expensive. Very expensive, wallahi.
Alhaji, how can you say we are expensive? Alhaji, we are expensive for you and your minister friends. Come on, Alhaji, we pay our bills. We go to Dubai for shopping. We buy our body lotion. We fuel our cars. We go to the cinemas. We do all of that with money. Come on. We have to be expensive. We need to look sexy for you and your minister friends. Yeah. Come on, Alhaji. Are we not worth all the money in this world?
How about that, Angel? I know you are worth it. Come to think of it, 570 million is too expensive. Nicole?
Alhaji, this will be national key. It is for everybody, Alhaji. Share it.
Haba. I know it is public fund. It belongs to everybody. But we are going to take you to Dubai. We will fly you there. We will put you in the same hotel that we're going to stay. We will take care of your expenses throughout the 3 days convention. Moreover, the president of this country, he does not release money like before. And the elections are far approaching.
Alhaji, 550 million naira is all we can do.
You jumped from 250 million to 550 million. That is too much, Angel.
Alhaji.
Angel.
Alhaji.
Angel.
We are the ones to make sure that you and your minister friends are well taken care of. Come on, Alhaji. You know, I give you the best.
You are killing me. Okay. No problem. No problem at all. I will give you.
So, are you sure?
Touch me, touch me.
Angels for life, oh angels, angels for life, oh angels for life, oh, angels, angels for life. They are angels, angels baby, baby oh.
Goldie! Who runs the city now?
Guess I asked for hustling, hustling. You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Conditioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. And just for life, oh, and just for life, oh, and just.
Boss.
What's the latest?
They are traveling to UK. The minister's conventions will be held in London this weekend. Angela and her crew has been paid fully cash to go with Salaji Bello and his fellow ministers.
I see.
One pleasant news, boss.
Go ahead.
Nicole, one of the angels, is dating your love.
Cheer?
Yes, boss. From a reliable source, Nicole is talking him into taking the property. I mean, the house.
Pedro.
Boss.
Pedro. You must not allow that to happen.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Conditioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract.
Angela, you're encroaching more and more to my tent. I thought the Bible says to your tent, O Israel, not my tent. Angela, that's a mistake you're making.
Mama, why are you? What is this? Why are you sobbing? What is it?
My son, can't you see? Can't you see that your uncle Njoko have cost us? Can't you see?
He has not cost us. He has not cost you. He has not cost me. He has cost himself. There is nothing he can do. It's not possible. He can't cost us.
My son, you don't understand. You don't understand. Look at you. A grown-up man like you, every day you are in the bush, chasing out innocent rodents and other animals, when your mates are in the city doing legitimate businesses, and you're here. Can't you see? Look at you. I even heard that you have reported to the Majesty that your trap is missing. Is it what you are here for? Can't you see that your uncle's cause is working?
It's not working. It is not working. And Mama, I will go to the city when I choose. When I am ready is when I will go. Don't pressure me.
Is that when you might have captured all the bushes and all the animals in the bushes? That is when you will now realize that you are no longer a small boy. My son, grow up. Please grow up. My son, please. I want you to go to city and hustle like your mates, please. So that we'll prove your uncle wrong.
You see why I don't like sitting next to you? You see why I don't like sitting next to you? Because when I sit here, all you talk about are things that will just hurt me. Mom, please, I beg, don't stress me.
My son, I'm only begging you. Please, I want you to prove your uncle wrong. Please.
Can't I have some peace? Can't I do what I want to do? What is it now? Please don't stress me. Please don't stress me.
Please look at the tears of your mother. Please, and make me proud. Please. I want you to go to the city and also like your mates. Biko Nungwam, I beg you. I beg you, my son.
Mama, please, I'm going to go to my friend's Induka's place. I think there I will have peace and calm. Because here you just keep going. I beg, Mama. Oh, please, Mama, don't pray.
But, Raymond, I have not seen anything wrong with what your mother is telling you. I have not.
Are you serious?
Yes. Yes.
What are you talking about? So, Induka, you want me to leave here and go to the city where I don't know anybody? I should just go.
Yes.
I should just go, just like that.
Yes.
Are you serious?
You don't need you don't need to know anybody in the city before you can go.
Are you serious?
Yes. See, many people went to the city and they made it. They come back to their village with cars, build houses,
many
even
things.
got married. They don't know anybody. Just have faith.
Are you listening to yourself?
Yes.
Are you listening to yourself?
Yes.
What are you talking about? So wait, if you are supporting my mama to go and you are saying I don't need to know anybody there, why have you not left this village? Why are you still here? Why have you not gone to that city and go and come back with riches and cars and children and all those?
Raymond, I am not the one my mother is asking to go to the city. You are.
Okay, now.
Just go to the city. You belong there. You don't belong to this village. Go there and make money.
Okay,
when you are back, we'll clap for you.
See, if you like my mama idea, carry on the go now. I don't follow. What nonsense. Rubbish.
But Raymond, it has not come to a fighting stage.
Amen. Well done.
I'm only looking at what your mother told you. There's sense in it. Just make use of her advice. And you make it. I just try to advise you based on what your mother said.
I beg, I'll go check on her trap.
You are animal. I'm not saying that these animals. I'm not saying that why you no one go to the city. Make use of what your mother is telling you. Leave these animals in the village.
Induka, something just entered my head. Something just entered my head. Are you pushing me to go to the city so that now you will conquer all the bush meat for this village? Abi? No. Wait, Now so? Is that why you are saying I should go to the city?
That's what your mother wants you to do.
Madness.
Go to the city.
You
leave the village, go to the city. I've been praying for you.
I can't see your own idea now.
Go to the city. That's where you belong.
I see. You won't carry all the whole bushmeat for this village. You want me? Idiot.
Go to the city. Look the village, go to the city.
Sure? This is not good. Please, I'm no thief. Check out. No thief at all. No, just show yourself for this house. I don't want thief. Just one collect. One collect. Just because when I don't package it. Wake. See this. See, no, we can't go with this also. Hey. See, na diamond, forget. Hey. You don't know this one now. I'll just like that first. These silent people, so when they behave. Now we don't need person for house. Someone trust you. We should not trust you. Now I try this one. She don't know. Packaging. See here, to take this one. I should just leave me. I just feel like bed.
How do you expect me to believe you?
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Alexa Johnson, daughter of Mr. Johnson, the carpenter in a Jaguar market. The one her mother sells fufu.
I'm in the market.
Ma, be correct. Sorry, oh.
Surprised?
You shocked me past shock absorb.
Oh, come on, it shouldn't shock you. What do you take me for? A fool or something?
No verse. Na village people, I do be that oh. Ma, no verse, no, sit down.
You know, at times you will allow people to choose the pattern they wish to introduce themselves. Maybe because of the people they are meeting for the first time. But I advise you, you shouldn't lie. It's too bad. You don't even know any man called Otedola. Not to talk of dating his last son. You do not have push. You do not have nothing. You've not even dated any wealthy man's son. You don't even have ordinary 3K to pay an Uber driver. Which was why you jumped out of his car and you ran into me that very day. Why? It's a shame. What is wrong with you?
Sorry. No face. I want to ask one question. I'm not saying I'm fine, but I don't feel believe say you be witch. You be witch.
I'm not a witch. I'm human, just like you. Get up.
Ma, stand.
Get up.
Ma, there no verse. Oh, if you let me go, I will go. No call police for me, I will go. Thank you.
The only difference is that I get information day and night. Even the ones I do not want, they keep coming in and out. They fall at my feet all the time. You were scammed by a guy. Well, that's a story for another day. You don't even have ordinary 3K to pay an Uber driver. You chose to jump out of his car and you started running. Ran into me, right? Make sure you drop the things you stole from me now.
Yes, ma. Yes, no verse.
Meet me at the dining. I really like you, you know.
Yeah?
I'm waiting.
Eliza, I warn you, know they collect things, you know they hear. Eliza, Elizabeth, they tell you, you know they hear. See this pure diamond now. I won't teach you how to stop. My village people don't come over, my village people carry, my village people follow me enter island. See this fine gold. Hey.
Like this your friend here.
Old gist.
Wow.
Do you have anything else to say?
Okay, sorry. You said you like me. It's not your fault. People love me. So, what car do you use?
This is my pretty car over there. That's my car.
1990? That thing is outdated. It's not even a car. It's outdated. It's off key. I'm telling you.
It's not about the model. Just hop in. Let me just give you a ride.
Which car?
Where? Nico!
Yes, boo! Oh my word!
Yes, boo!
Well, back yourself up, man.
Nico!
Yes,
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Angels for life. They are angels, baby, baby, oh.
We are going to take you to club 9. No, you should have 20.
Come
She's like, yeah, one.
Fantastic.
I'm massaging her with my muscles. Alaji, your body is so stiff. You need to relax.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. Angels, baby, oh. Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Angels for life. They are angels, baby, baby, oh. They can be oh. Angels for life.
Girls. Guess what? Let's see. Can you guess? We don't know. Tell us.
Good, I guess.
Try. Just go ahead.
You know my father guessed them, so why don't you just tell us?
Go ahead. Okay, fine. I'll shoot it. Big announcement. Loading. Okay. So, once Alhaji secures the contract, babes, we will be made for life.
Madam Goldie, a big contract is about to be given.
To Alhaji Bello?
Of course, he is the strong contender. Yes, you know the government structure. And don't forget that Mr. Speaker happened to be his cousin brother.
I have met with the majority leader several times. I mean, the speaker. The man seemed to be pragmatic and rigid.
Mohammed Ibrahim. Yes, he is a core tribalism and favorism.
But can't we break him? I mean, send him our own side chicks.
Yes, we as a group, we have tried. All we get is peanut talk. But you know, Alhaji Bello happened to be his cousin brother that Angela took from you.
I will not relent. We'll have to change the game.
See, that young man is a hard nut to crack. See, this big contract that is coming, trust me, Alhaji Bello will use his connection and his money to take over that contract.
Mama, I said I am going to the city. Finally, I'm going to the city. I'm going to Lagos.
Hey! Chukwugewaroronka! Ekele! So, you finally decide to go to the city?
After all your pressure, why not?
Gods of our land, thank you. Thank you, Amanunaga. Thank you very much. My son, who are you going to meet in the city?
I got an invitation. Somebody invited me. Yes, that's where I'm going.
Who is that person? Or company? Or
I can't say much for now. But when I get there, I will call you on the phone and tell you. It's not a problem. No problem.
I'm so happy.
No problem.
I'm so bad again, my son. As you are going, the good Lord will guide you.
Amen.
You will be successful.
Amen.
Anything you lay this your hand, you will succeed.
Amen.
God will lead you through.
Amen.
Yes, my son.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Hey, so my son, I won't tell you how happy I am. Honestly, the kind of smile you have put into my face today, words cannot explain it. I'm so happy for you. That's why I'm praying for you. I said you must succeed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So that you will put a shame to your uncle that have said it will never be well with us. God will bless you.
Amen.
So my son, when are you leaving?
Oh, any moment.
Yeah.
Any moment. Yes, I'm just putting some 1, 2, 1, 2 together and bam, I'm gone.
Yes, one. Hey, can't you see that you have put a smile in my face now?
Mama, see, there is... You know I'm a very good cook, but there are some small things here and there I want you to teach me with the vegetable soup and the egusi. You know, your touch. Let me put your touch on it so that I can...
I will teach you everything you need to know about vegetable soup, even all that soup.
Yeah,
so that when you
local dishes.
Good.
You know, add some things from one hand now.
Yeah, so that when you get to the city, you'll be able to cook for yourself. Don't allow those city girls to come and cook for you. Nona, let them not put a love portion in your food, though. Because if you know how to cook, nobody will come and cook for you. Abi? I will teach you, my son.
Yes, Mama. Thank you. Thank you.
You don't know how happy I am. I'm so happy. Oh, Chineke.
Imagine. Can you imagine?
God, thank you.
Chief. Chief, I miss you.
Chief.
Huh?
You like it, have you?
I like it.
Chief, wait.
What are you doing? We're here to have good time.
No, Chief, we cannot have good time. As you see me now like this, I'm going.
No.
No, Chief. You don't take me serious. I have been disturbing you for months that I want to move into that mansion. Evacuate Lady Golden. You've been reluctant about it. You've been ignoring me. You don't take me serious. I will stop dating you.
But you can't do this to me, please, my angel. Please. If you leave me, I will die. Oh, I will die.
So you know you will die.
I will die. Please.
Chief, do something. Do something because I'm angry.
Okay, wait. I will buy you a car, okay? Before we settle that matter, please. Please come.
Wait, Chief, leave me alone. See, you will buy the car and you will give me that house. By the end of this month, I want to move into that house. I am tired of living with my friends. Deal?
Yes, deal. But come, deal, come. I will come and right away, okay?
Call him, where's the phone? Chief, are you sure you're not sleeping with that woman?
God forbid. I can't sleep with her.
Or maybe you are scared of her.
How can a landlord be scared of his tenant? No, I can't do that, please. Don't stop dating me, I will die, please.
You better die. If you don't do what I want, I will leave you and you will die.
You want me to die?
This is our target. If we are able to climb, believe me, we'll be in charge. We'll be in control of everything. But men, everything you can think of. Please, can I see it? Sure. That's your assignment. We really need that man on our side. If we are able to get the smile on our side, we have conquered. But I must tell the gospel truth. He has a strong dislike for women. Is he gay? He has his wife and kids, but values his lover more than anything you can think of in this world. Oh, see. Of course, he is a gay. He doesn't flirt. He doesn't cheat. He is a speaker. I'm telling you. All contracts fold at his table. So we need him desperately. He gives all the contracts to his cousin brother. His name is Alaji Bello.
That name rings a bell. I know him.
It's packaging. I'm sure. This one, packaging.
So that means we have to go through his cousin brother. The angels are ready for them.
Yes, you are right. They are there. They have taken over the territory. And arrogance, yes.
I am going to bring him down. Freely at that.
Who? The cousin brother.
No, he's not my target.
The speaker.
Yes, that is my target. Super nice.
Alright, my friends. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Let's get started.
Alright. Ma'am, I think my job starts now.
Thank you. I came prepared. Young ladies, I came prepared.
you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Look, barrister, I want you to terminate that contract. Yes. Serve her quick notice this month. Yes, it's my property, of course. Yes. I don't want to sell the house to her or to anyone. Just do it the way I say now. Do it the same way I instructed. Okay. Like I said, I don't want to sell the house to her or anyone. I want to renovate that house. Yes. I don't need any money. I won't accept any money from her. Even if she pays billions, I won't accept it. Yes. I will do it myself. Okay. Do it exactly the way I told you. Do it that way. What is this? I don't want to lose my girlfriend Nicole for any reason. No way, I cannot do that. Angels of Ireland. What a beautiful, heavenly made creatures. God created people like you to make us happy. In fact, we no longer go to heaven because angels are dwelling with us right here on earth. Please sit down.
Chief, we are not here to sit down.
What is wrong? Have I wronged you?
Of course, yes. You've wronged me. My girl Nicole is not happy. She's the reason I'm here.
We've discussed everything and we've had understanding. And she knows that now.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. That means she would not be your side chick anymore until you give her that house.
You can't do this to me, please. You can't do this to me. You see, Nicole is my heartthrob. She's my heart therapy. Please, you can't do this to me. I can't lose her for anything. I love her so much. Please, don't do this to me, okay? Please, I will call my barrister right away. Lady Gold will leave in a month's time, please.
2 weeks and not a month.
Okay, in 2 weeks I will do that. She will leave in 2 weeks' time, please. I can't lose her for any reason. I love her so much. Please.
Let's leave.
Barrister. Yes, I want you to drive down to my office right now. This is no longer what we can discuss on phone. Please, come, please. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Okay.
What's your name again?
My name is Ini Katrina, but you can call me Mbechi. I'm partially Igbo and partially from Akwa Ibom. I'm the only surviving daughter of my parents. My mother is very, very sick and she's dying. That's why I need this housemaid job. Please, ma, you have to help me. I beg you, ma. Please help me. I can do anything. I can cook. I can sweep. I can wash. I feel wash anything. I feel wash pants. I feel wash bra. Even if you not pants don't malanchala. If I wash them, you go toilet for me. I feel do and I beg you, ma beg. I think God beg you.
Get up, get up. It's okay, get up.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma.
I'm a chef. I am a trained chef. I'm here for the chef vacancy.
Angels,
What do people think?
I think I like her.
Oh, really?
Thank you. I like you too.
So you said you are...
Anyways, looking at her, there's nothing special about her. Just a maid. That's what she was born to do. So she fits in. Chala, like you said, she will do it well.
Come on, stop that nonsense.
And you? You said you're a professional chef.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what's your name and tell me what you can cook.
My name is Ray, Chef Ray. And I specialize in African and Asian dishes.
Oh,
That's
wow.
my specialty, yes.
So what?
Asian dishes.
Oh.
That's so sweet. Oh my god. The thing is, we prefer African dishes, and it won't be a bad idea if you do some extra works. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can work on it.
Cute. Oh, my bad. I meant good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
I beg shift.
Your job is to cook for us. You are to cook what everyone will like. Our choice differs, so you'll be taking different orders to prepare different meals for different people. Do you understand?
Understood, ma. I can cater for all of you, it's not a problem.
No. Just me.
Yeah. Oga, now cook you can't cook. Yeah? I don't understand all these extra activities where they add join the chef business. Your business is to cook and serve it. Yeah?
Who cares about his look? Who cares about his look? Now money be fine, bobo. So we are not looking at you. We don't have that time. You need to focus on your job and do it diligently. Am I understood?
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, fine angels of the Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
Shut up! Shut up! Shh.
So, okay, we will give you people the job.
Hey.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm grateful, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, quick one, guys. You have the job. But don't be too excited. You have to be extremely careful with this job. Just have in mind that more than 1 million people want this same job that you just got now. So you need to be extremely careful, like I said, extremely careful, and you have to be straight with your jobs. Right. Am I understood?
Yes, ma.
Understood.
Thank you very much.
Hey, one more thing. Look at me. Look at me! I am very good at sacking non-domestic talent staffs. Are you hearing me? You, this chef, if I see you messing around, and you, this dirty, stinking maid, if I see you both messing around, look my face. They see the two nose, they see the good. If I give you, if I raise and give you job, you gonna say go put yourself where you're supposed to belong, idiot.
Hey, madam, why you can't say mess now? Madam, I know the mess, so I no fit mess for my life. Lie, I know the mess. Even if I want mess, I no fit mess open yash, mess anyhow. I no fit do.
Shut up your mouth! Who they talk of mess? Dummy. I mean immoral acts. If I see you sleep with her, I go shift your jaw.
Madam, I no understand though. How me and this one go take sleep for the same bed? I beg, I no go sleep for the same bed with this one with the yellow like wetin I no know. See now, madam, you no even get chisel app. You no even get a bed gang. See pinkly self, you no even get nothing. Everywhere just flat. You no be my spec. I no fit sleep for.
Wonder shall never end.
It's better. It's better that it's not your spec.
Anyway, Nico.
Yes, boo.
Please show her room.
All right.
Jane, please show him his room.
Thank you, angels of the Lord. Don't Chineke ga-agozi.
Raymond, right? Raymond.
You follow me, eh?
All right. I'll sleep well, Raymond. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Oh! Come on, the smelling thing.
Are you mad? I have shown you kitchen where you belong. Mr. Handsome. Henceforth, you are mine. And mine alone. I know some of my friends will be admiring you. But I don't want you to give any of them a chance. Don't.
Yes, madam.
Do you understand? Okay? You know, we are paying you huge amount for this job.
Yes, madam.
If you play me in any way, I will make sure that you are fired. Am I communicating?
Yes, madam.
Did you hear me clearly, Mr. Chef?
I heard you, madam.
Good.
I heard you. You are. I understand.
You understand?
Yes.
Mr. Chef.
Yeah, I understand.
Good boy. So this is your room. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, madam.
Do not forget, anytime I need you, I will come around. Boy. Oh! This is your key.
Thank you, madam.
Good boy. Hey.
I'm happy to hear that. How nice! I will take you to cloud nine.
Make you say enjoy yourself,
Now that we have Chief Ikemba on our side, he will be giving us every vital information about Lady Golden.
Yes, of course. As we speak right now, Golden is hospitalized in London. I think she has heart failure.
And we are the cause. I love that.
Anyway, she will soon die. And she cannot be my friend for too long. Yeah, I need to join the movie too. You have joined.
Alhaji, what about the mega contract?
It will be ready by next week. Yes. My cousin brother told me that it will be ready. He's in my palm. He assured me of the contract.
Okay. We all are happy to hear that.
Oh,
Amy.
I got chef. Food done well.
This is your portion.
What of madam? The inside.
Okay, hold this one first. Hold your own food now.
Be calming down, you. Waiting.
If they are inside, they're problem. Problem big.
No, because I be want ask you small question. And I know say you go answer me. No vex. You know say they say make me alone this. Okay. I won't know wetin our madam dem dey do for the people. You know they see their cars. You know they see fine clothes. You know they see hair, even skin. You know they see their skin. Their skin dey like mirror. I won't know wetin they dey do for a living because their operation is out of this world. Wetin they dey do for a living? I know say you go know and you go tell me wetin they dey do.
I don't see. All that you are seeing, I don't see it. Raymond, let me know.
See this one, they mind your business. Wetin dey worry you? You no fit go sleep with person. Okay.
Check your phone.
I'm checking.
Nothing. Check yours. Nothing.
Let me call it.
Okay, fine. Yes. Hello, babe. What's up? How far? Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Perfect. Perfect, girl. Okay, all right.
Paper for her.
She has gotten it. Yes. So she's sending it into your email.
Okay.
Girls, she's sending it into your emails, right? So master it, study the files very well. We'll pick up from there, right? Okay. Check your phones. Let's see. Phone.
She has sent it.
Yes.
Wow.
She has sent it.
Oh my goodness, this is huge. Come see this. You have yours too?
Yes.
This is huge. This is beautiful, all right? Oh my word. All right, this is perfect, all right? Let me get back to Lady Gold ASAP. Very important. Okay. Good luck, girls.
Hey! Okwa nwa marekwa. Hey!
I hope Induka has been bringing you bushmeat.
Yes.
Nice. And my uncle, he's not been troubling you.
I don't have any problem. Yes. Wemo. I'm only missing you.
Thank you. I hope everything is okay. No wala. All right then. Love you.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. I will continue to pray for you, eh? Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Who was that?
What are you talking about?
Your mom?
You satisfied?
Come back here, come back here. I heard one of my friends came into your room last night.
Who told you? Or what told you?
Don't you dare lie. Don't you dare lie to me. Idiot, don't lie to me. Who was it? Who came into your room last night?
The one who came into my room last night, standing right there. Excuse me.
Come back here! Come back here! Come back! Don't you dare walk out on me, you fool! Idiot! I'm talking to you, good. My friend, come back here!
My baby, my baby.
Chief, when are you buying me the car?
Don't worry, my baby. On your birthday, I will give you a huge surprise.
Anyway, for your information, there will be no touching or seeing till you fulfill your promise.
I can't wait to do that, okay? I cannot. Don't worry. You are going to be a landlady very soon, okay?
Wait. Chief, excuse me.
My baby, my baby.
What you wish to have is a therapy for you. Hey, be careful. Watch your back, don't be carried away. Find chef, enter their eyes, yo. Find boy, they are confused. Find Baba, whether they love or lost. I'm a little
Yes, I get it, but my main target, as we speak, is Angel Briggs. Yeah, she's the head. I mean, once she's down, the other useless idiots follow suit. Of course. Yeah. All right then, I will speak to you much later. Yes, much later. Bye.
Good day, ma'am.
Hi, sweetheart. Please sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how did the meeting go? Okay. You are not talking. No. Nina.
Yes, ma'am.
No, wait a minute. Nina.
Yes, ma'am.
Nina. The speaker signed this paper.
Congratulations, ma'am.
No. Unbelievable.
Told you.
You told me.
I told you I will make him do it. Whether gay or not, a woman will always be a woman. I am that woman with a core difference.
I can't believe this.
to hug you. Nina, come. Come here, sweetheart. Ah! You are a super angel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sit.
Thank you.
He signed the paper. He did.
Now, with these files here and the vice president's signature here,
okay,
he is in.
You haven't told me. How manage? How did you do it?
Remember I told you Mimi sent me documents and some notes to my email?
Yes.
We started from there.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business
This is unbelievable. Wake me up. Please, may I hand over my glass of champagne to you?
Ma'am, I am still working. I have to go in.
Then you need it. You need this glass to work more. Take it. Move. We are still working. Super nice.
My baby.
Yes, darling.
You are so sweet.
Really? So, you like it?
More than like it. More than like it.
You love it?
More than love it.
Chief. Please stop.
I never do that. Guests like you can act like this in bed. So hot.
Chief, please don't make me shy. I don't want to be shy.
Are you really shy?
Yes.
Please don't be, okay? Sorry, who was that on phone?
Chief is my other sister. That was my other sister on phone. She's asking me of something, so
it's okay.
She always disturb money.
What is money? You don't really act like a house help, okay? Yes.
Really?
You don't? You sound so educated and articulated. So polished.
Well, I lost my parents when I was still in secondary school.
Oh, sorry, okay? Sorry for that, okay?
It's okay. That one is at the past now, so I've gotten used to that.
My baby, look, I don't want your... There's something I want us to do, okay? I want this to be on a very low profile. I mean, low profile. I don't want your madam to be aware of this, okay?
That's not a problem. I don't even want her to know that.
Please don't.
We have something to do.
Hide it from her.
I'll hide it. Chief, you like these things. You like these things.
Stop.
You like something. Yes, yes. Yes.
My baby, wait.
Yes.
Hi. Is there something you want to do for you?
Ray. I like you. Yes, I really do like you. I know it's gonna sound funny, but that's the truth. I'm sorry that we have been acting up on you. Just that I don't want my friends to know I have interest in you. Hey, Ray. It's okay. I absolutely get it. Yes. See, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm really sorry.
If there is nothing, I really need to get back to bed.
It's okay, fine. I understand. Ray. But I want you to know that Flora, I've got my eyes on your charming, sexy body. Just give me a chance. Let me lick you like a lollipop.
eyes, yo. I beg of fine boy, I beg of fire. They are confused. Fine baba, whether I love.
Promise me that I am going to get a contract. And he has given me so many contracts in the past.
Alaji, that is why I love you. You're the only man on this world that makes me happy.
You are lying, Look, when I get this contract, I will do anything for you. And I will continue to make you happy. So long as you continue to give me that
Alaji, it's like that.
Hey, stop looking at me like that. You are a man.
Flora, you took advantage of me. This is not right. You can't take advantage of your staff. Because I work for you, you just take advantage of me. What we just did was my first time. This is not proper.
Oh my gosh. You are a virgin? And you're this strong? Wow.
I am leaving this house tomorrow morning.
Oh, no. Why?
Because I am tired of working for you girls.
Ray, please bring your voice down, okay? The girls might hear us. See, I don't want you to leave. Really, I don't want you to. Trust me.
I have problems. I have lots of things on my mind. I have issues that I need to solve. My mother is at the hospital. Waiting to die, probably. Because I don't have money to pay for her hospital bills, her operations. 2.5 million is what I need to find. I mean, how am I even going to find that kind of money? And that was why I took this job. Thinking I could be making enough money to help. As old as I am, even 100,000 naira, I don't have it. Can you imagine?
Wow.
Yes, and all you think about is just having sex with your chef. That's all you think about. I've got all these things running through my mind. Look, I refuse to be your sex slave, okay? I refuse it. I'd rather leave and quit and go with my dignity than hang around here.
Oh, wait, please, wait. You are not my sex slave, okay? Okay, fine. Look, I'm not saying it that way, okay? I'm not. I am really sorry. Trust me, I am. Okay, you know what? I'm going to send money to you by weekend. I'm going to send 2.5 million naira to your account. Yes. So you can cash out the money and help your mom. I'm really sorry. I am. No wonder you are always quiet and troubled. I am sorry.
I don't need your money. Just leave me alone, okay? Just leave me alone.
Okay, here. Put your account number. Please. Come on, Ray. Put your account number. Come on. I'm sorry. I really don't want you to leave. Trust me, I am. Just put your account number, please. Ray. Please.
We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out. If Mugu follow Yakata, we go chop a more. If Mugu follow Yakata, we go chop a more.
Hold on a second. Who's the virgin? Me? Oh yeah, this is easier than I thought. Yes, easy money.
I do not even know, where to start from. It's the greatest moment of my life, and I'm pleased with the outcome.
We are happy. I told you.
You told me.
I have the smartest gang. We are the queens, are we not?
Yes, we are. Very soon, very, very soon, the angels will fall.
And they will fall again and again.
That's it. That's it. Cheers, everyone. Angels, enjoy.
Oh.
The vice president's daughter just followed me on Instagram!
Are you serious? I'm serious! I can't believe this.
Oh my gosh!
What the balls? Are you serious?
Oh my god! We now have a presidential
Oh my word! She just said, hello, angel! We need wine. Say something like, hey, oh, hey. No, not for me, not for me. We don't give her. Hey.
What should I reply her?
Hi.
Hi.
Be polite. Be like, hi. Oh, hello.
Just like it. Like it, just like it.
No.
Give her levels.
No.
Let me say, hey.
Not for me, no, not for me.
No. Let me say, hush.
Hello.
Whether I love or lost, I'm a little okay. I'm a gofanya. I'm a little okay. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost, their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy, child. But if me go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out child. If we go follow yakata, we go chop am. If we go follow yakata, we go chop am. If onye na salono wa keje wataya. What you wish to have is a therapy for you. Hey, be careful. Watch your back. Don't be carried away. Fine chef who enter their eyes. Abagafanya. Fine boy, abagafanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether I love or lost, I'm a little okay. I'm a gofanya. I'm a little okay. Now they are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost.
Look, you can't do this to me. I have the capability of handling this contract. Please, talk to my cousin brother, Mr. Speaker, talk to him for me. Please.
I am the daughter of the Vice President. This contract was given to Mr. Speaker by my father. Seeing the signatures of my father and the President, you would know I want to prove to my father that Mr. Speaker and I can go a long way. The instructions of my father is my core focus. You know, your file has proven to be inadequate and inaptitude to this project. Haji, this is a very big contract.
How about the program? Don't do this to me. I am the minister in charge. The records are there.
You have no records. But I'm going to give you this one on one condition.
No problem. Just name it.
I will bring in my trusted people on this.
I don't have any problem at all. All I want to do right now is to build a very good relationship with you.
Do you have a good day, Alhaji?
No, my son. Not good. Not good. As we speak, there is a very thick problem.
What is it, Alhaji? Has the contract been paid to the
No. How's that?
What is it?
Alhaji, who is Deborah?
The vice president's daughter.
Don't get it.
She has a very excellent track record of executive contracts, both abroad and in Nigeria. Now that Jane is back, the vice
What about your cousin, the speaker? Is he no longer?
He is still in charge. Yes. Both of them are working hand in hand. What I am trying to do now is to buy her to our side. So when she gets the contract, she will employ them. Once she employs them, we will execute them.
Alhaji, please. I need you to do everything within your power to ensure we don't lose that contract. Please, Alhaji.
I will try my best. I will try my best. You can just imagine. Once we execute that contract, you, the angels, I love it, will become billionaires.
What are we going to do? I mean, is the contract slipping away from his desk?
No. But I think the vice president's daughter is in charge of it now.
Oh, that's great news. It makes everything easy for us. Yes.
How do you mean?
I mean, Angela here and the vice president's daughter are following each other on Instagram. And I think they do talk.
We chatted once. And after then, she has not replied any of my chats.
Maybe she's busy or something.
Busy with what?
Hold on. Angels, calm down.
My question is, how are we sure that is the official vice president's daughter? I mean, Deborah's handle. Yeah.
I did investigation. That is her account. And if her account was hacked, I'm sure it would be all over the news.
You are right. You are right.
Well, I'm just thinking loud, you know.
So we don't fall into the hands of scammers.
That's good.
You know what, girls? I will just keep chatting her. I'm sure one day she will definitely respond to that.
Sure.
We really need this girl. We need her so bad.
Yes.
You're very right. I mean, we can't watch this contract slip off our hands.
No, we can't. We can't, oh.
As in all of us.
Me too. Me too.
Don't be so conclusive on that.
You sound so cold. What could be the problem?
I'm thinking about leaving here.
You mean quitting your job?
Yes.
But why?
Because I'm tired. I'm tired of being with you.
Ray, I thought we were cool.
Yeah, you thought we were cool. Apparently we're not cool. I mean, I'm supposed to be thinking about my mother. Alright? My mother's in the village. She lives in a mud house. Probably die in the mud house. And here I am just running around, having an affair with you and not thinking of, you know, giving her a better life. Look, right now, love and like, no, in fact, I will not love, like, and be with anyone who is not thinking the kind of things I am thinking, trying to solve my problems.
Ray, I love you so much. From the deepest part of my heart, I love you, and you know that. Look, so long as you promise not to leave or hurt me, I promise to be there for you.
Well, let me be there for my mother first. Huh? How about that? Can I be there for my mother first? Hold on a second. Just wait. Hold on a second. Do you know your friends are willing to spend on me? They're willing to have all that time with me like you are enjoying now freely. Did you know that? I didn't think so. They are tempting me with all the good stuff in this life. The only thing that is stopping me right now probably would be I'm not that materialistic. So I'm not giving in. I've just locked up my heart like that.
No,
Ray,
you don't have to be.
Why not?
Do not be materialistic, please.
Why not?
Don't accept any of them. I knew it. It's Angela and Nicole, right? I knew it. They are the ones forming the boss in this house. I knew it. I've been suspecting them. But, Ray, do not accept them.
Why not?
Please.
Look, right now, I can only think about my mother that needs a house. I need to purchase a house
I'll
for
buy
her.
it.
You say?
You heard me. You see, tomorrow, go for a house hunt with an agent. I will buy your mother a very beautiful bungalow. Pick a bungalow anywhere of your choice. I will pay. I do not mind spending my last card. I will get the house for your mother. I will do anything for you, Ray.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're talking. First you were talking about like it has gravitated into love, and that's what I'm about. I'm about love. You know what I mean?
I will do anything for you.
Yeah?
I love you.
Okay. You know, come here. Come
I
here.
love you so much.
Where you at?
But please.
Yes.
I want us to keep this relationship on a low for now.
Well, that shouldn't be a problem. It's not a problem at all. Come here, you.
I'm all yours.
What are you waiting for?
You are playing games with me! Who amongst my friends are you seeing? Who? And don't you dare lie to me. How dare you lie to me? I am the boss! And I hate liars! I hate lies!
You dare bully me? You dare bully me? And you have the effrontery to slap me? Ever? Don't even try it again.
Don't ever try it again because you will not like my work. Try it.
I'm so sorry. My love. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me.
Don't try it again. Don't.
Please.
Don't try it.
I promise I'm not trying it again. I promise.
Find cheerful, enter their eyes, yeah. You must have won the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. And just for life, oh, and just for life, oh, and just for life, and just for life. They are angels, and just baby, oh. Just for life, angels, contract. If business no finish, there's no good rest at all. Mr. Commissioner, you must have won the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. And just for life, oh, and just for life, oh, and just for life, and just for life. They are angels, and just baby, oh. They can't cheerful, enter their eyes, yo. Abagafanya. Fine boy, Abagafanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether I love or lost. I'm a little wake. Abagafanya. I'm a little wake, yeah. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. But if you could follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out. If you could follow Yakata, we go chop up.
I don't the talker. I don't the talker. Come and I boogie in me on your bone. Mbechi. Where the other one again? Now you are they talk to. No, they look anywhere. No, they look around. They look me. Come. This your waka way they waka around here. I don't say, you know, they
crazy. No, you the mad. You smoke anything this morning? I mean, you don't drink. So because I allowed you to touch me, that's why if I slap you, I go slap your entire gutter. Idiot. No try this thing next time. No try am next time. You don't know your mate.
You can't now make you slap me, Abi. Evil person no they everly believe saying they evil. You see you be evil girl for this compound who dey. You don't do waka, crooked waka. I don't say you the eye chef. Swear. Swear with your life, make Oguno kill you, say you know the eye that our chef. That yellow purple chef. Swear say you know the eye. Now you make you don't want to give me petus because of that guy. Now him.
You don't suffer, itaga fofo. So if someone now come saying, but who they talk to, it can't be say person wey no get sense.
Barnabas get sense.
Eh? If you don't get anything to talk, you carry this your 2 colored teeth. Carry this your 2 brown and white teeth. Carry and put for your pocket. No even try and no even think. Any day where I dey for this house, you go touch me with this your smelling gate man hand. No try am oh. If you try am again, you see this my 2 fingers you get you there
Idiot. Smelling Mbechi. Yeah, when you feel wash apart, see your head. Ndu. That's why you fight for nothing. I don't blame you. I blame you. Nduawo. I don't blame you. Orobo. Dirty girl when you feel wash her pants for this compound. Dirty girl. But this life no balance so. See Mbechi. Mbechi why just say me I dey relate for this compound. Mbechi to come with the high chef. Hi. Everybody because of this got small fine chef. Okay? No wahala. Maybe me too go find how I go bleach. Make all the girl for this compound. All of them.
No, you cannot come beyond this point.
She said you should allow us.
No, please, sorry.
Talk to you girls later. I love you girls. You look beautiful. You said you are so beautiful. Oh, she's so beautiful.
You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all. Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract for you. Hey, be careful. Watch your back, don't be carried away.
Why didn't you tell me that your mother is sick and doctor demand 2 million naira for surgery? Why?
Why should I tell you? You don't have the money. I don't have the money. What's the point in telling you if nobody's going to help me? I was hoping my salary will be able to pay something. I've been contributing all these months and it hasn't even paid a fraction of the bills. What's the point? This is my grandmother we're talking about. Somebody who took care of me my entire life. I'm not even sure what to do.
Who told you that I don't have money to give you?
Look, I appreciate what you want to do for me, but just know that I'm not the type of guy that rely on women for their livelihood. I work for my money and I rather work for it, okay? So thanks, but no thanks.
I will give you 3 million naira to save your mother's life.
Okay. I mean, ordinarily, I would take the offer because you're being generous. But you know what? I don't want it. And I don't want it because if I take your money today, that will now open the door and expose me to your insults and your manipulation and all of that. I don't want it, please. So just keep your money.
Raymond,
bring your pride down. Nobody's going to insult you. You are my boyfriend. Even though we are keeping it on the low for now. Listen, baby. I have a plan. Once it clicks, you and I will leave this country for good. Yes.
Really?
Really?
Hey, there's something I should tell you. Do you know your friends have been making advances at me?
What?
Yes. Especially that Nicole and Angela.
No way.
Yes.
You are kidding me.
I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. Lower your voice before they hear us. They've been giving me stuff and telling me things as if they like me and stuff like that. No, but hold on. I always told them I'm in love with you. It's only you that I love, and it's you I want to be with. So I cannot do anything with them.
Baby,
No. I can't do that. I've just kept them off. I've been preserving myself because it's you that I love and you that I enjoy being with. You know, but if it wasn't for you, I probably would have fallen for Angela. But don't. It's just a thought, you know.
Baby, come on. Don't listen to them. Pay them no attention.
Sure,
okay?
Sure.
You know I love you with all my heart.
I know.
I don't want to see you with any of them. It's going to break my heart.
I'm not going to anybody here. I'm not going to be with anyone. It's you that I love. I feel your heart beats, mine. It beats with the same rhythm. It's like we're made for each other. You know? I can't do anything.
Oh my baby, come here. This feels so much like paradise.
Doesn't it? Of
course.
I feel it.
Come here.
I know. That's it.
Oh God. Oh, I have fallen for you, baby.
Yeah?
If business no finish, they no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry for waiting my time. Oh my, sorry again. Oh my gracious. Oh, you're so humble. Thank you, and you too. You live in the federal capital? No, the island. Oh yeah, I met you at the mall a few days ago on the island. Yes! Yes! Actually, I was there to see the minister over this very big project. You see, I've been really busy. Oh, oops, I am so sorry. Forgive my manners. Meet Fina, my personal assistant, and Greg, my personal aide. Hi, Fina. Hi, Fina. Hello. Wow. I'm excited. I'm super excited to have you in my presence. Wow. I must confess, I had to fly all the way down here just to have this special meeting with you. Wow. What? Can I take a selfie with you?
Sorry, Mom. That won't be necessary. Sorry.
She's a friend, a new friend.
I know, but I'm acting under strict instructions.
That is why I hate this political thing. You don't get to live a life of your own. It's fine. Who wouldn't want to be a vice president's daughter? Let me order for champagne. Hey!
I'm sorry, we didn't fix for that. Sorry, Miss Angela.
Look, I am sorry the way they are behaving. I'm just trying to save their job. I hope you understand. No, it's fine. I understand perfectly. As long as you're fine with it, I'm fine with it. Yes, I am. Don't worry, I will come to your house sooner or later. It's a lie. It's a lie. You mean you will come to my house? Yes. Wow! We are already friends. I will come to your house, then I will take you to the presidential home. You will meet with the minister, the president, and my father.
Oh my gosh!
Yes. Oh, sorry, I'm just super excited.
Oh.
You don't even know what this means to me. I mean, this is a beautiful moment I've been waiting for. Thank you so much.
No, don't mention.
Don't.
Miss, our time is up. Your father is calling.
Unfortunately, I have to take my leave. I will see you when I come. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, send me hello to your angels.
Wow.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you. I have a presidential friend who cares to listen. I have a presidential friend.
You still be V? V cowbell dey bounce like that. No, answer me. You be V, your cowbell dey bounce. I be not be this.
Madam, I don't know the issue where you get with my breast too. Every time you dey get issue with my breast. The other day you press am for backyard.
Don't keep quiet.
Inside room you don dey press the breast again. Tell me that thing wey dey your mind. Make both of us understand each other. No dey press my breast like that. I don't
Me and
do
you?
anything.
You? As in you?
I don't know why, madam.
Ini!
Ma.
Ini!
Ma.
Ini!
Ma.
Are you feeling the vibe? Ini!
Ma.
How many times did I call you?
I don't know, but we two dey fall out. Madam, no dey do this thing.
Keep quiet! I warned you. Didn't I? I warned you! But you choose to tell me. Today I will deal with you. Lie down.
Huh? Madam, make I lie down inside room again.
Come on, lie down!
Wetin you wan do me if I lie down?
Ini, no make me tear you. Lie down!
Na the same thing we dey talk, make you no tear me. Why you wan make I lie down?
Come on, lie down!
Lie down for wetin na?
1. If I count to 2 and you are still here, I will share that thing.
Madam, na
lie down!
You go talk that thing wey dey your mind.
Lie down!
I don't know why you dey always tell me.
You be everywhere thick.
Flora, you are insulting me. You are insulting me, you are belittling me, and I don't take exception to that. Please don't do it.
Really? You cannot be having me and still have that nobody. A maid, Ray. Maid.
Excuse you. Ini, come on. I don't have anything to do with Ini. What are you talking about?
And you still have nothing to do with my friends. Ray, swear to that. Swear to that you have nothing to do with my friends.
Okay, fine. Look, your friends want me. They approach me all the time, telling me nice things, giving me gifts. But I am the one who is just holding myself. It's because I want to be with you. I mean, that's a simple truth. You need to trust me, okay? What good is our relationship when there is no trust?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I trust you now. Just that I'm jealous. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to trust me. You take my word. If I tell you something, you take my word.
I'll try.
Don't try. Just trust me on this, okay? And everything will be smooth.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Well, you need to start going before the other girls get here. You know when Angela sees us here, she's not going to like it.
Can I have a hug? No?
Okay.
See you soon.
Yeah, go.
They are angels, angels, baby, baby, oh. They get the connection, oh. Angels, angels for life, for life. Angels, angels.
This is good. Thank you. Your chef is great. What's your name?
Chef Ray. Raymond Obasi.
I enjoyed your meal.
I am honored.
That will be all.
Thank you.
I must say I enjoy your hospitality. I am really impressed. Really? Oh, I'm glad you did.
I can't believe the vice president's daughter is in our house. We should make some noise.
Whoa!
I'm sorry. Please, ladies, let's stick to principles. No taking of pictures and no making of videos. Thank you.
Pictures? Me? No, of course not. Yes, girls, I would really want to take it on a low profile with you girls. I wouldn't want my dad to know I'm out of Abuja. And I wouldn't want the press to let it out that I was here. I hope you understand.
Yeah, we do.
We're already friends, girls.
Okay.
It's fine. We understand perfectly.
Yeah.
We will adhere to that.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
We were so excited you kept to your promise.
I always keep to my word. Can I ask you a fine favor?
Favor?
Yes.
What is it? Just mention it.
Can I have your chef for one night? I mean, this girls thing, you know?
My chef?
Yes.
Sure, it's not a problem at all. He's my chef.
Good. I would ask my security to come pick him up. I'll be waiting at my lodge.
Alright. That will be perfect.
Good night.
Good night. Take care of yourself.
Good night.
Thanks for your time.
Can you repeat what you just said?
I said I cannot, I can't.
How dare you! How dare you! The vice president's daughter of this country wants to have a nice stand with you. You dummy! You fool!
Angela, calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
I'm in love with someone else.
Angels for life, oh angels for life, oh angels for life, angels for life. They are angels, baby, oh.
I have feelings for somebody else. And I'm not willing to sacrifice how I feel and my love for that person, even though he's the vice president's daughter. I just cannot do it. It doesn't work for me.
Really? What impetus?
Angels, let us try to
what? Tell me. If you don't have anything to say, why not just shut that hole on your face? Shut it.
Gosh. Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life.
Come on, girls. You people are not saying anything. Listen, Raymond, or whatever you call yourself, you must sleep with the vice president's daughter tonight. If you do otherwise, I will make your life so miserable. Come on, get off my face! Come on! Nonsense.
Hey, come back here, Where are you going to? Come back here.
Nicole, let him be.
No, please shut up your mouth. Come back!
Give us the contract. Angels.
Small message where they send you. The open eye. Say I be Abino.
Come on, shift.
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life.
I just don't understand what's going on here. I don't get it. In fact,
whatever!
Fine chef who enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine baba, whether I love or lost. I'm a little okay. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. Try, but if look follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work.
What?
Because
what is what? What is what?
Why are you staring at me like that?
You fool! Idiot! Nonsense!
Why does she want to have a one-night stand with my man? Why? Like I get big eyes. She get big eyes. Oh my man.
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life. They are angels, baby, oh. They get a connection. Oh, angels for life, angels. Guess I asked for hustling. You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all.
Girls! Can't you how tired he looks. I mean, she had my chef all night.
I can see.
Angels for life, oh angels for life, oh angels for life.
My own is that I want to use him to get closer to her, you know, and closer, and closer, and closer.
And the more closer we get, the more richer we become.
Exactly.
Yes, you are there. You are right there.
Sorry guys, I think I need to use the restroom. I'll be with you shortly.
Girls, she's not happy. And who cares? Please, the most important thing is the more closer we get, the more closer we become richer. Oh, mommy, I'm happy now because the vice president's daughter is our friend. And that is the most important thing. I don't care about anybody's feeling.
More money, more money.
More money.
Barbara, I know you like light-skinned guys. But girl, what's up? You don't have to display that with the chef.
I thought as much.
What's with all this pretense? We all like him, so stop pretending. Pretenders.
Not all of us, my darling. Not all of us.
Exactly. Please, we should not belittle ourselves. Yes, please, I don't want anyone that will belittle our class or admiring the chef. Gosh, I will not withstand it.
What's exactly wrong with you girls? What is wrong with you? You all know I have a boyfriend, a white guy who deals in oil and estate business. So why would I be liking an ordinary chef? Why?
Barbara, time will tell. Wash your words. Wash it.
You guys stop laughing. You still drink water?
Yeah, you better come back. The food is finished, though.
What did she even call it? Estate and what? I don't know.
Sorry, what did you say my chef said to you? I did nothing with him. He said he's in love with someone. He is scared to air it to that person to avoid unnecessary dissing and physical assault. Who the hell is he? He's a nobody to refuse you. No, he didn't. I quitted. It's nothing. Angela.
Yes.
Your chef is silently in love with you. With me? No, that's not possible. That's not possible, not me. Gosh. Why? Because he's your chef? Come on, do not look down on people. Don't. Did I look down on you? Not exactly, but I want to understand something. Did he actually say that to you? It's written all over his face. This is unbelievable. Gosh! No! Hell no! Can't
fall in love with that thing. God forbid. So because he is a chef, he can't fall in love with you? Well, that aside, you said something about the project I'm handling for my father, the vice president. Exactly. So, did you tell Deborah, the vice president's daughter, that you're secretly in love with me?
I
Speak.
Yes, I did.
Damn it!
There was no way I could lay with her when my heart beats for you.
Will you shut up your filthy mouth? How dare you? How dare you open your gut mouth to say such stupid words to me? Are you sick in the brain? Look at this. Look at this stupid chef. Huh? Hold on. Did I employ you to my house to come fall in love with your boss? Who is talking about your stupid love? How dare you?
Look, I don't know what you want from her. That's none of my business. But I think you need to start respecting people for who they are and stop being overwhelmed with all that you have, okay? You need to respect somebody, okay? Respect people.
Oh my gosh. Damn it. This stupid idiot. Did he just talk to me? Oh! This is so irritating!
Are you for real? Our chef. Wait, are you serious?
I feel like firing him right now.
No. That means he did not sleep with the vice president's daughter. Yes, and she believed his story. That means she respects you. Firing him will not be good. She might even get upset with you.
What I don't understand is, why is that idiot loving me? Why? And all he wants is my money. Yes! I hate such people around me. I mean, how can I be in love with that stupid, low-budget chef? It can never happen. Gosh!
Calm down. Listen, calm down. I have a plan. Yes. You are going to pretend to be in love with him. You are going to reciprocate it. That love, you go show him love. I want to see what the vice president's daughter will say about it when she finds out. Okay? This might be a blessing in disguise. Use your upper.
Gosh.
Chief, why are you not picking my calls?
Hey.
Chief, please, hey. What is going on?
Why are you here? Look at this evil wizard. So you have the effort to step your feet into my office.
Chief, what is going on? Why are you doing this? Is this the tactics to change the reason why I'm here? Chief, stop this thing now. It's your angel, oh. Your angel.
May that routine burn down by fire. Now listen to me. That your charm, that your juju has leaked.
Chief, I'm not using juju. It's natural love I have for you. Chief, now. Chief.
Now, listen to me. I say it has leaked. You can't get me anymore. Now, leave my office. Will you get out?
Please, Chief. Chief, calm down.
What's the security?
Chief.
Don't touch me.
Chief, hey. Chief, don't call security. Hey, Chief. Okay, Chief, I'm going.
Security?
When you come down, call me. I'm going. Okay, I'm going.
Where's the security? Silence!
I'm going.
Please, call him a post. You won't get it easy this time. Nonsense! Imagine this nonsense. I bought a car for you. You even threatened to collect my mansion from me. My hard-earned mansion that I built my money. You can't get it cheap this time.
I'm sorry for letting out my heart. I only told her the truth because I just wanted to know if she really values your friendship.
Just go. I didn't send for you.
She can grant you your wish, you know? If you can just play along as if you're in love with me.
What did you say?
I said, Madam, I overheard you talking about the contract the other day. And I'm thinking maybe she can give you the contract.
So?
So I can actually help her give you the contract. I have a really good relationship with her, if you know what I mean.
Hold on. You mean you can actually talk to her regards the contract?
Yes. Actually, I can. Yeah. Yes.
On our behalf?
Yes, I can. I can do that for you if you want.
Let me get this straight. You want me to bring the contract to your desk while you give it to someone, or?
Yes. I have competent hands for it.
Why do I have this notion you want to be fine with your chef because of this contract? That's by the way, I don't want to meddle, especially if you guys are in love.
Yes, we are in love. Right, baby?
Yes, yes, I mean, yes. we are in love. We had a little issue, but it's been sorted out, and we are madly in love.
Exactly. You know, like you made me to understand that we are all equal.
This is good.
Yes.
I must say this is my first time of seeing a handsome man confess his love to a woman right in my presence. All men, I mean all men in the world would want me because of my father and his personality. But he has proved me wrong. I like him. And he loves you. So because of that, I'm going to tell my father to lift the contract from the speaker and then we'll handle it.
Wow! Really? Thank you
so much. This is good news.
Thank you. We're grateful.
Yes.
Fine cheerful enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, abagofanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether na love or lost. Amalicha wake. Abagofanya. Amalicha wake, yo. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether na love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy, child. But if me go follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out child. If me go follow Yakata, we go chop 'em all. If Mugu follow Yakata, we go chop 'em all. If onye na salono keje wataya, what you wish to have is a therapy for you. Hey, yo, be careful. Watch.
What is it?
Madam, I beg, I say make I come beg you. My mama, I don't tell where she dey sick, and she don't call me tire. It can't be like say she no get anybody. I beg, make I go see her for village. Make I know how she dey do. I beg.
So who's going to do your job? I mean, who is going to take care of the house?
Madam, for that one, I no go take for village. No need 2 days. Now they ask me, una give me just 2 days. I go come back.
My friend, shut up your mouth. See, let me just tell you. If you leave this house for any unnecessary leave, just know that your salary will slash it into 2.
Make me dey beg you, make you no reduct am. I need this money. Now make me come do house help work. I beg, no reduce am. Biko. I beg, I mean am. Madam, you know say I no feel like that kind of thing. I know say only you they believe me.
Shut up.
Ubechi, right? Yes. It's fine. You can go.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just like that.
Hey girl, come on. Let her go.
God bless you.
Yes. Let her go.
If she likes, you can stay months. You see this your frog guy. You see this your big guy. You see this your frog guy. You think I don't know? I don't trust you. If everybody trusts me, you know I don't trust you. I know you have a skeleton in your cupboard. They will tell you open.
Madam, I don't know why you always get issues with me.
If you call my name again,
idiot. Now because say I find past you.
Stop. Okay, you know. I go give you uppercut now. They thought you go open your third eye. I know you're sleeping with the chef. Yes. The chef? Please, I don't know. I'm just saying.
The chef?
The chef? I don't know. I'm just saying.
I know they for that one. I know they sleep with chef at all. I know they sleep with them.
Better.
Madam,
It's fine. You can go.
Hey, madam, thank you. You asked me to go because I know say your mama still die alive. Thank you. In fact, five angels of the Lord. God will continue to bless you now very, very well.
I hope you're not referring to me.
It's okay, you can leave.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Idiot. They will tell you kind frog guy open down, they say, madam, I don't just like. So how did it go?
She wants to go speak with her father. I think she likes me having something to do with that chef. Well, once I'm done using him, I will trash him where he belongs.
Wait. Our chef? I mean,
I beg you, shut up, you just say our chef, now so all your antenna go rise. What's happened? Who shall come be? Our chef? You dey pet the name. That give yourself brain.
Girls, I was meant to understand that she has a soft spot for the chef. And in turn, he expressed his stupid, irritating love to her over me.
He did?
Well, everyone knows that we are just using him. And very soon, we will dump him.
Yes.
Yes.
So does it mean that stupid Deborah of a girl agreed to talk to her father because of Raymond? She agreed to talk to her father because of our chef. Because of our chef. Because of our chef.
Yes. A plus you won't hold you. And now they follow me see her eyes. The lash is not the umbrella. They scratch body like a person who got one virus. Did they worry you?
Wow. Real wow.
She thought we were dating.
Fine chef who enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine baba, whether I love or lost. I'm a little okay.
Yeah. Hey.
How dare you? How dare you, Ray? How dare you play me? You are seeing Angela? I swear you will regret it. You will, I swear.
Can I say something?
Say what? Eh? Say what? God. I didn't know you were this cheap. You're nothing but a public bed. You are so cheap.
You will regret every word you just said. You know why? Because you're not giving me the chance to explain something to you.
Explain what?
You should have just calmed down. Are you calm? Can I talk? Yes? Look, everything that is happening right now between Angela and I is a game.
What? What?
We're playing a game.
But Angela is mad. I'm being too serious.
But that's the idea. Just to get the VP's daughter on Angela's side. I don't have any connection with Angela. I've never slept with her. I've not even seen anything beyond the clothes she wears. We have no relationship whatsoever. Again, it is just to get the VP's daughter on track with her. That's the idea and that's the plan. You know she prefers Angela to be with me, right? Now, think about it. Can you imagine if I told her that I love you, I want to be with you, and I want to marry you? What will she think? I'm just being smart. I'm using my head. Come on, be with me on this. Try to understand. Okay? Yes. Hold on, come here. Hey.
Raymond!
Yes, Raymond.
I demand to know what is going on in this house. What is going on? You're asking me. You're asking me.
Are you throwing some kind of party here? Because I don't understand what my eyes are seeing. I'm seeing someone who claims to detest light-skinned guys in here. And I wonder what she is doing here.
Is...
Raymond.
Yes.
Get dressed and prepare fresh croaker fish pepper soup for me. Make sure you add enough pepper.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Maggie, salt, croaker fish pepper soup indeed.
Yes.
I'm bringing it, ma.
What kind of question is that? What sort of question is that, Raymond? Tell me. What game are you playing?
What game am I playing? I don't owe you any explanation, okay? Just leave.
You're in love with Angela. Huh?
I'm not in love with Angela. I'm not in love with anyone. I know who I'm in love with, so just leave me alone.
Who is that person?
I'm not telling you
I demand
anything.
to know who you are in love with.
I will not tell you.
Who are you in love with, Raymond?
I won't tell you anything. Just get out.
Raymond, tell me who you are in love with. Oh, you don't want to talk. It's alright. I want you to know that whatever it is you are doing, I am watching you 24/7.
Watch. What you gonna do? Keep watching. Till your eyes bleed out. Keep watching. Until your eyes bleed out. Because they will definitely get red. Now get out before I call Angela. I thought so.
Rubbish. Nonsense.
Fine chef enter their eyes, Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine papa, whether they love or
Oh man, these girls. Is it by force to love you ladies? I don't love any of you. Just leave me alone, okay? Get out.
Really?
Oh. It must have been hot in there, right? I'm so sorry, I forgot. You were in there. You okay?
Take your hands off me. What was that all about?
What?
You're not in love with everybody, me, including me?
Oh, baby. I was just using English terms, pluralization and singular. When I said you, plural, them. I didn't say I don't love any of you, singular. I meant you, them. They're girls, not you, singular. So I'm not in love with you, but I'm in love with you. You get what I mean? I'm in love with you. It's just you that I love. You and I will be together forever and ever. Together.
You're so sweet. I love you very much.
I love you too. Listen, don't get too comfortable. Angela might just show up, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
they are confused. Fine papa, whether they love or lost.
It's crazy. It's just me. Oh, what is all this? And the number one. I don't even know what to do.
Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract.
Mr. Speaker is not a soft nut. He refused to let go of the contract despite all I told him.
Madam, isn't there anything we can do? You know, like
This is a 6.8 billion naira contract. We can only buy it off from him. How much? If you can raise 1.2 billion naira, I will take it to him and he will hands off. You know, I'm doing this without the knowledge of the minister, my father and the president. Because a third party has stepped in and he's going to frown at it if he finds out.
Oh my word. Where will I get such an amount from?
Just try. Just try. I'm going to try from my own end.
Where do you expect me to get that kind of money? Because the contract will be open for not been afloat. I wish I could help you. I spent a lot of time with this people. I don't have that money.
Allah Haji, what about the loan from the bank? Allah Haji, I'm sure with your personality, they will give you the loan.
EFCC, I'm on my neck. Yes. Well, I'm looking for a lot of money to pay them off so that I can be free. I wish I could help you. If I had money, I would have given it to you. By the way, what do you need that kind of money for? That is sum of money.
Well, it's nothing. It's just that we want to repair property.
Papa, Angel, you have property. I wish I could promise.
Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
I'll find it. Papa, Angel and Truman. Wallahi.
Girls, we really need to do something about this. Yes, the money is too much, but we stand a chance of. But what we stand to get is way bigger. We need to do something about this. I don't know how to just get this money. We need to get this money anyhow, anywhere. We just need to get this money.
Yes, we have to.
Perhaps sell our lands, cars, even this house.
Really?
Oh, yes.
This house?
Listen, girls. We need to get this contract. We need bigger money to achieve our dreams. And the principle of wealth is to use money to make more money. So,
oh my gosh.
Girls, if we succeed in this, we are going to be billionaires. Come on, girls.
Okay, fine. Come on, angels. We need to do something. Yes, we have this at our palms. Let's not let it slip away our fingers. What do you think? Yes. How do we get 1 billion naira?
Exactly my point. It's not 1 billion. Let's start with your land.
Well, madam, you can probably sell the house. That will bring in bigger projects in the future.
Sell the house or loan it?
Whichever. Sell, loan, it doesn't matter. For as long as you can guarantee juicier contracts in the future, before you know it, there will be more deals coming through.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know how other girls will see this idea.
Madam, I'm sure they will understand. You know, if you move into a less cheaper place, something not as expensive as this, like a bungalow, should be okay.
A bungalow? I know you're joking, right?
No, madam, I'm not joking. They will understand. It's just in the meantime, short term for long term benefits.
Bungalow, oh gosh. I need this project.
I know. That's why you need to think about it. It will work. Think it through.
contract will be awarded next week.
That's good.
That's a good one.
And the angels, they are desperate for it.
Believe me, they are really going to cry. Yes, but I told her this earlier. She wouldn't listen.
I also know she wants to play a love game with her chef. A swift one.
Wow, it's hot.
All right. Now tell me, what's the latest?
I'll tell you, Mama. The latest is that Nina here, this bad girl, gave them huge amounts. And they have been running helter-skelter for it. Yeah, I know. From the look of things, man, they're going to sell their duplex and even take loan from the bank. Oh my word, no, you did so good. Thank you. Nice.
Ooh la la. They're going to sell their duplex. We will buy it.
Mama?
That's it. Please relax. I need you to make an arrangement for that. We will buy it.
Okay, Mama.
But then, keep your head down. I know none of her friends will be able to raise such an amount of money for her. Therefore, we'll add more pressure and buy it, but undercover.
Yeah, more pressure.
We're getting a dupe.
A dupe.
We're getting a dupe. A dupe this time.
A dupe.
Talk to me. What is going on?
There was this lady who stepped in for the contract. I'm not sure who she is. I've never seen her before. But she was actually willing to pay anything and everything. She was willing to pay today or tomorrow. Point is, she was willing to pay sooner than later. And that would mean we will lose everything.
Lady Golden, please tell me it's not her.
I don't know her.
Lady Golden? The thing I don't understand is, how did she get easy link to the vice president's daughter?
I don't know. But this is serious business. If that woman should get that contract, Angela, it's a slap on our faces.
How did she step in? How?
I don't know, but I need to see Chief. He has to help me. I don't care what he thinks about me now. I need to see him.
Madam, don't you think it's time that you sell the house or loan it out?
Will you shut up? Shut up your dirty mouth!
Sorry, madam.
Now go and get me water.
Pardon?
You heard me. I said go and get me water, you fool.
Sorry, madam.
Get out! Sell? Did he just say we sell idiots?
Chifo, you know you're so sweet.
Can't say that again.
Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all you do. Just anything you need. So answer you.
What is going on here?
Hello.
Wait. Ini, the dirty maid.
Excuse you.
Why are you here?
Ini, the dirty maid.
As you can see, Ini is not a dirty maid. Ini is sexy, classy, good looking. Not that dirty maid you know, Nicole of the Angels. That was all a lie.
So you're not what you told us?
Of course. I am not what I told you. You see, this life is a game. Play soft, hard. Anyhow you chose to play it. It's all a game. Chief darling, please don't forget that I saved you from untimely dirt and enchantment from this pathetic liar.
Chief, what is going on? What is going on?
I'll watch you die. If you do, I'm going to kill you.
Nikki, or whatever you call yourself. Why did you come to my office? How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, get out.
Chief, this is a movie. This is a movie.
Shush. My love.
My baby girl.
Yes, my love.
Her name is Mila,
Oh,
aka
Mimi.
What is Imi? Please, get out.
I said get out!
Shush. Oh, please don't say me. I'm not a mad dog. I'm not fighting.
I said get out!
Maybe let's lick him. Let's lick him.
Let's finish him.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Chief, what is it?
I will not give you girls more than 1 million.
What?
You see, you girls are becoming so expensive. Things have changed. Unlike before. Anyway, this is not a contract. Don't you understand?
Chief, we need this money. We can't discuss this any further.
Anyway, let us settle this. Let us settle this once and for all. Okay, what is the matter?
Chief, we need a loan.
Loan?
Yes, Chief.
Loan? Like how much?
Chief, you see, like 500 million.
What? 500 what?
Million. Chief, you're sweating.
I told you, angels, that we are not doing the contract now. Why such amount of money?
Come on, Chief. We need this money to do something. Okay, you know what? We're going to pay you back. Yes, we will. Okay, fine. We need you to be our guarantor. Use your loan from the bank.
No. I cannot go such a line. For what? Not even my wife.
Chief, we'll lick you more than your wife. Chief, we'll finish you. Yes,
Okay, I am not.
Hi.
Oh, my favorite chef. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm perfect.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I just wanted to touch me. Okay? Ini is just an imposter. She's a liar and a demonic bitch.
What are you saying? What about her? I don't get it.
I mean, she's a bad bitch. I caught her with a man. Yes, but the man is actually my man. And they were both into each other, ravishing and doing everything.
Who? Ini?
Her name is not Ini. Her real name is Milan, aka Mimi. And I want to kill her right now. Like, I want to press her neck.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
For real? Huh.
I feel like dying.
No.
I feel like dying.
For real? No, no. I don't believe this.
Forget I said anything. Forget.
We could only raise 400 million naira. I have sold virtually everything. Our land, the cars, except this house. And today decides our fate.
Girl, what's up?
Just for life, for life, angels.
Told you to wait. Girls, 50 million naira!
Woo!
That is good.
Yes, good news.
What exactly is good there? What's good?
Check now.
You see that thing where you hold for hand? A bounce check. Just come on mind from that one. Come on your mind from
what?
That. When I come on mind, no for
Business no finish, and they no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Conditioner, you must award the contract.
Damn you, bitch! Damn you! Oh, please have several feet. Why you not go marry them? Why you not go marry them? Let me woman you do. I mean, what man go professor for your man? Shut it! Close it! You know them. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Let me hear what. I bet shut up. Make I hear what. Because to trap. And they talk somebody they pepper me. They talk nonsense. You want marry? Go marry now. Your mates never marry finish.
Wait. Hold on. Are you girls done ranting?
I think they're
No. Are you people done ranting? We're talking about serious things at hand. And you girls are here exchanging and embarrassing yourselves. I mean, can you just see what's going on? We're talking about the business of the day and you girls are here embarrassing yourselves. We're talking about Lady Golden. She's at the verge of taking our contract away from us. Or do you people expect us to go begging her money?
Never. That old Abino, God forbid, it will not happen.
I suggest we sell this house. I got someone for the property. And he said he would purchase outright and not loan. And besides, the banks are not ready to give us the loan because they said the money is way too much.
Then sell it. Yes, it belongs to us, so we can sell it. See, by the time we get that contract, we can buy a mansion. We can buy as many houses as we want to. Right? Besides, we're still going to buy that Chief's Jim's house and we buy it too. And also buy that bitch inside.
Listen, we are not doing Inyobong or Mwechi's saga here.
Anyway, that girl is a snake. She's deadly. She's a snitch. And she was sent here on a deadly mission.
I told you girls. I'm not talking. I'm talking. her juju strong. Na only God wey she go do that kind you use take collect chief for your hand. The jazz not be here.
My dear, na village jazz. Confirm village juju.
Honestly.
I will go do my own. Hey! If you know what is good for you, don't try it.
Better.
If not, they go kill it away.
Okay.
See those girls? They no get conscience. No trial. Just nurse your pain jejely in peace.
Simple.
Back to business. Sell house.
I will take the money to Mr. Speaker. I added 800 million naira from my cash, so he won't be able to resist the pressure. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. You're welcome. All the best. I will talk to you when I see him. All right. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine baba, whether I love or lost. I'm a little wake. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried.
Oh my gosh! She just chatted me.
Deborah.
She says, congratulations, you have won the contract.
What you wish to have is a therapy for you.
Angela, I'm here with Mazam Golden and Shifi Kemba.
What's going on? I really do not understand. Wait, you mean Golden is listening to my conversation right now?
The phone is on speaker.
Wait, Alhaji, what's she doing there? Alhaji, please talk to me. What is going on?
Oh, just shut up. Shut up, you little thing. Did I not tell you that you are going to sink? Of course, I told you that. And that is exactly what is happening to you right now. You are sinking already.
Lady Golden, you cannot sink me. Listen, I'm way bigger than you. I'm smarter than you. And I'm well connected than you. Even all of you put together.
I see. That is why you went behind my back and signed the contract that is supposed to be for me. Right? You played a very fast one on me because you feel you are powerful and connected.
Alhaji, it is what it is. We all want money, power, fame, and connection. And that was exactly what I went for.
It's all right. I hope that you will enjoy your power and connection.
Alhaji, you betrayed me. Why did you allow that thing to come to your office?
Angela, just a little shock and you were panicking like a little lizard. Don't worry. The huge one will come and I promise you it will pierce into your bones, arteries and veins. Relax. Alhaji Bello here is my business associate right from the origin. But you little thing, you went behind my back and betrayed me. You took him away from me.
You know what? I'm coming to your office right away.
Rubbish.
Oh.
Fine chef enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, They are confused.
Must not good.
Whether I love or lost. I'm a little worker. I'm a gofanya. I'm a little worker. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. Try, but if you could follow, guy man.
Yay! Up on my son, oh! My son Raymond is back, oh! Hey! Hey, mama!
Hey, my mother, I miss you.
I miss you.
Hey!
Is this? Yes. So this is you?
Yes, now.
Raymond don't want
Your only son.
Hey! Raymond! So it's true.
It's true. It's true. Oh, guys, cool down now. Cool down.
I heard Mama's voice. I decided to check on her.
Hey!
Welcome. Thank you.
Hey!
Mama. Mama.
Is that you?
It's me.
The one who moto.
Mama, this is my car.
Hey, my son went to sit his back.
Raymond, is this actually your car or is this car for a ride?
This is my car now. I bought this my car.
Wow.
And that's my driver.
Wow.
And they pay him, they work for me. And they pay him well.
Raymond, my God.
Yes, Mama.
You said this is your car?
Yes, now.
My son that went to the city's back, oh, people. Oh, whoa. Raymond.
It's okay. You know me, Raymond. I don't talk too much now. I show. As my face they show, now so my shoe they shine. I'm coming.
I believe you, my friend.
I said it.
I believe you.
I said it that you will make me proud. I said it that my Raymond will make me proud.
I don't talk.
I believe you.
Mama, see you. Your son has made too much money. First one, up in the air, bam. Too much money.
Look, I go to your house. Mama. Look, I need my money for me. Go to your house. Mama, hey, look where they go. Oh. Hey,
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. I've made money.
Hey. I can see.
Now.
I can see. Look,
Mama,
I go to your house.
Mama, I will buy you
everything. Because your son is back.
I will buy you all that you want.
Always you.
Where is that stupid
Look where they go.
You Seth. Where is that bush meat trap? Where is the bush meat trap? I told you come with me to the city. Idiots. See now you didn't take my money. Hi, Mama. I'll give you all your money. Go down now. I have more.
Look, I give my money. Go to your house.
Let me take
He's holding my money.
I have enough.
Look, I go.
I have enough. Too much.
Hey.
Why is that my trap?
Don't give it.
Idiot.
Don't give it. I give my money. Hey.
Oh, Mama.
See money.
See money. Oh! Are you saying you met Lady Golden in Alaji's office?
Yes, you heard me. Guys, check your phones. I do not understand what I'm seeing on my phone. The vice president's daughter just uploaded us on Instagram.
What?
Yes, I don't know what she's up to. But why would she do that? That's not possible.
Are we not friends?
We're friends now, she can't do that.
Check your phones, I'm serious. Check your phones. It's true. What is really going on?
I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly. What is she up to? What's this one doing here? Where has she come from?
I don't know. What is going on here?
What the hell are you doing in my house?
Your house? Do you own a house? Oh, come on, shut up.
Yes, I sold it, but you have no right to mock me with that. Besides, you can't even bargain in this property while I'm still living here.
Then get out! Out! Yes, you heard me.
Get out from my own house. No, you get out!
All right, I'll make it clear to you. I bought this house. I bought the house. I bought everything in it. Sweetheart, I paid for it. You own nothing in this house. Just that I didn't want to buy you girls. I would have also paid, you know. But I don't need you.
What are you talking about? It's a lie. It's a lie!
Oh, really?
Yes, it's a lie!
All right then, let me make it clear to you. I knew everything from the very beginning. Your chef, your so-called chef, brought in someone who claimed to buy this property.
Oh my word.
Is it getting clearer now? All right, relax. Your chef is my loyal boy.
Hey! Oh my word. Oh my word.
Today, tomorrow, and forever.
Oh my word.
Oh, all right. Please pardon me. I need to call him now, if you don't mind.
It's a lie.
Oh, come on, relax, relax.
It's a lie. You're lying.
All right then. All right, chill. Oh. Hi, Ray. How are you, sweetheart? All right, hold on.
Hello, boss.
Sweetheart, I'm here now. Would you like to speak with your sexy mates?
Hi, Beatrice.
Hey.
Hope you all are enjoying the moment.
Hey!
You all thought you fooled me, but I enjoyed all of your asses.
Hey! Oh my word.
You are sweet though.
Oops.
So welcome to the new world.
All right, Raymond, enough. So, sweetheart, how about your mom and your plans?
Fine. The arrangement is going well. We'll be traveling in 3 days' time to London.
Ray, listen, I'll have to call you. All right then, I still have an unfinished business. I'll call you much later. Take care. Shame on you all! Shame. I never brought you up like this. Shame on you. You allowed your chef to use you. And you were there, calling him a fool, while you idiots are the foolish ones here. Here you are, laughing. All right, I guess it's time to laugh, because I'm ready. Are you ready to laugh with me now? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's laugh. Oh, you do not want to laugh again. So what are your cheeks waiting for? Shame on you!
Hey.
I knew it from the very beginning and I told you, but you wouldn't listen. You do not want to laugh again. Shame! Big shame on you.
Hey! Help me, that I can't have to go where we don't know. Hey, na streets we there. Hey.
Angela, this cannot be. This is not possible. Not after everything. This can't be. This can't be.
Relax, chick. But I told you all that I'm coming to take back everything from all of you. Here we go. You won't be able to pick any pin from this property. It's time for you to leave. Are you done talking? Alright, I understand how you all feel. It's alright. I'd like to tell you all a latest story. Very late. Alright, Raymond. You are going to act as their cook. I mean, professional chef. While Mimi, you were going there as their house help. Yes, girl, I'm sure you know what to do. I know, Mommy. Nina, do you realize you look so much like the VP's daughter? Therefore, you'll be acting as a vice president's daughter. Shan, VP's daughter. While you, Tina, and Mimi, I hope I'm right? Yes. Both of you will monitor the girl's page. I mean, the vice president's daughter's page. You know, that's it. Deborah, the engineer.
I'm on it, ma'am. Well, apparently, she's at Houston, US. She's going to be there for like 3 months, and she's going to be engaged with work. So, the juicy part of it is that she is not a social media freak. Her name is Deborah Briggs.
Enlighten me. Please tell me more about her social media life.
Okay, for like 6 months now, she hasn't been on social media. And that is going to give me the edge to monitor her account from now. I'm going to know when she will be in or out, when she posts, and all that. So, if we get to forge her father's signature, the rest will be history.
Is she not interested in this particular contract?
So, Mimi, you are going to take charge of her page, alright? So you can monitor her and give us back everything about this girl. Alright then, I have also planted an informant who will be communicating to us, telling us what the vice president and the minister, talks about all the time.
Well, ma'am, I have a device that can mimic anyone's voice. Yes, from there we can communicate with the minister.
I had no idea that you were such a tech whiz. You that good?
You haven't seen anything yet.
Alright, so Tina, you are going to, act as Nina's personal assistant. What is it, girls? Come on, you're going to do it, right? Yes. Beautiful. So I'm going to assign security personnel who will be guiding you guys.
Well, with the letter that has her father's signature on the document, the contract will be ours.
Do not let the angels take shots of me.
Sure. By the way, baby girl, she detests such gesture. She doesn't like anyone taking pictures of her, except she's in a lighter mood. So, noted? Noted. Good.
Mimi, you are abnormal, honestly. So you just sit down and pry on people's businesses and listen to what they say. And
I know.
You just...
It's not my fault. That's my job.
Alright, guys. Please, let's get to work. Please. I really need each and every one of you to focus on this. I want us to achieve all this. Alright? So good luck.
So I wish you all good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you expect me to believe the trash you just said? Deborah, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in Abuja. Besides, why did you unfollow us all on Instagram?
Oh, just shut up. Shut up and wake up to reality. These are my loyal gods.
Oh.
The beads. Believe me, they have sting. Each and every one of you. And you cannot do shit anymore. So chill.
Angela and friends, I am sorry, I am not the vice president's daughter. I mean, are you girls that daft? You could not recognize her? I am just her look-alike. My father is a farmer, but obviously not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Wait, I don't get it. I don't understand. What about the contracts? What about everything that has to do with you and I? Oh, no. Are they all fake? What exactly are you talking about?
My goodness. It was just a mirage.
Hey!
Angels of the island.
I said it! I knew there was something about you. But I was daft. Yes, she has brown eyes. But you have black and big eyes.
We played a smart one on you girls. Like seriously. Are you girls that daft? Like you're not wise enough to know there's an intruder amongst you. What are you talking about?
Hey!
You did.
You try that, I'll blow off your brain.
You see this, your frog eyes? I knew it. What is he even saying? You just shut up, I'm not talking to you. It's a fake shit. Get from my side.
You called us fake? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, clown. This is actually pure gold, Italian. You can afford it. I know you are poor right now. We call it Oh my word! Yeah, she's poor. Very frustrated. I understand.
Okay. Let the shock begin. Million. Come, darling. Come. Walk the walk.
Oh,
yes.
yeah. Baby girl.
Yes.
Walk the work.
Walk the work.
Walk the work.
Walk it.
Walk the work. Oh, yeah.
Betchy!
Bitch. Huh? That's not my name. My name is Mimi. Call me Mimi. Billion. I know. I know.
Good. We are finished. I knew it. God.
Holy shit. Holy shit!
So, you girls thought that I was your slave, that I was your maid. Really? Oh, poor souls. For your information, I did my job in a meticulous and wonderful way.
This old bastard was sleeping with my Chief Jimmy. My own Chief Jimmy. And disguised herself as a maid.
Oh, will you shut up, you clown? What were you thinking? that Chief Lord James will give you Lady Gold's mansion? Really? You're such a clown. I've always known that you are too desperate for this. I know, but let me shock you, idiot. My lady here, my pretty queen, Her Royal Majesty, the beauty of them all, the sweetest of them all. She has this mansion in her name. Chief Lord James gave her the mansion too. So, idiot, you lose. Let me also shock you, stupid. I told Chief Lord James that you are a witch.
I did that, so that.
I did. Yes, of course, you are a witch. A black one at that.
Enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether na love or lost. Amalicha wake. Abagofanya. Amalicha wake, yo. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether na love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away. Because of fine boy, child. But if you make a follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work, because money must come out, child. If you make a follow yakata, we go chop am.
Have you washed the clothes that I brought out for you?
Hey, okay. Hey, madam, no verse, eh? Now forget that thing. No verse, Biko.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Madam, why you go slap me now? What did I do you?
Clothes that I gave you to wash since morning. Is now you're telling me you forgot. At what time? Are you mad?
Madam, is that why you have to remove my eardrum? Eh? Oh, if you no slap me now.
Now listen, you will go now and wash everything in that basket. I mean everything. Are you hearing me?
Everything?
Yes!
Madam, make I wash everything. You know the things wey dey inside that basket. Things damn. Even your pants too.
What did you just say?
Sorry, ure, pants ure means a good pants. Designer.
Better for you. Because you cannot even afford one of my undies.
I know.
You this retarded maid. Now, I give you 10 minutes to go and finish this washing. As in everything inside. Plus that undies, that golden undies. Mm-hmm. Make sure say you wash them. Yes, whatever it is called in your village. Make sure you wash it. 10 minutes, I'll be back.
I'll wash the pants really, don't worry.
Nonsense.
Mimi, this work hard though. Mimi, you have suffered. This your job is very difficult. Why did I choose this difficult one?
My dear angels of the lowland. Fallen angels! My dear fallen angels. I took the slap. I took all the insults to see this day end like this.
All of you will rot in jail!
Hey,
yes.
man.
Oh no, that won't happen. You know why? Maybe you've forgotten, but let me remind you, you duped me. You scammed me. You forged a signature just for you to acquire this property and cash. You were so desperate to get to the top. But even at that I called the police on you. Oh no, I never did. I never did. The very contract that made you mess your life up has returned to me. My friends, very good ones that you took away from me, they finally return at my mercy. Did I not tell you that someday you will fall, you and your girls, and you would crumble? That's exactly what is happening now.
You will die. All of you will die.
Don't try anything funny.
Now hold this. One more word from you. I will teach you a lesson you will not forget in a hurry. I'm the one that brought you up. You will die. She will die. You will die. I will die. They will die someday. Death is not a trait. Hey, do not wave your stupid hands. Let me tell you one thing. The very day you will die, you will die a shameful death. Now I hope you all have learned your lessons. Never to bite the finger that once fed you. Not to be desperate. You really want to climb to the top when you're not there by all means. No, it's wrong. It's a gradual process.
Right on, Mama.
It is an advice to each and every one of you. Now, I'm going to give you just 60 seconds to leave my premises. Move it!
The time starts now.
Go back.
Move it.
Move it.
Move it! All of you. Come here.
Out.
Move it.
Move it.
Move it. Move it.
Out.
Move it.
Move it.
Hey,
Business no finish. They no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract. And just, baby, oh. Angels for life, oh, angels for life, oh, angels for life, oh, angels for life. They are angels, baby, baby, oh. They get the connection. Oh, angels for life. Fine chef enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine papa, whether they love or lost. I'm a little wake. Abagofanya. I'm a little wake. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether they love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy. Try, but if we could follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work because money must come out. Try, if we could follow Yakata, we go chop a more. If we could follow Yakata, we go chop a more.